Okie dokie, let's do C. Y equals the opposite of the absolute value of x. So again, think about the mother being absolute value of x. That graph looks like that. It has its little V point right at the origin, 0, 0, and it goes up to the right and up to the left, having all positive values normally. So we'd have like 1, 1, and we'd also have -1, 1, like that. But this is the opposite of that function. That's what that negative out front means, which translates to flipping it down, just like our square root when we had the, sorry, not square root, just like the negative x squared graph flipped it down because the negative was outside of the function. Well, this negative is also outside of the function. It's kind of like an afterthought. It's saying, hey, remember the absolute value of x? Yeah, let's go ahead and make all of that stuff negative now. So, if I'm drawing my graph, I still have that pointy piece in the middle at 0, 0, but everything else has been flipped. So I know I'm over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, and it's actually kind of like a special version of a linear graph, so those should be straight lines going down. And if I'm doing domain and range, again, it should actually be the same as what we had for that square root. I keep saying square root, for that square graph a moment ago. Domain is just going to be x values in the set of real numbers such that nothing, no condition, any x value can be put into this function. So we have that. Again, if you're doing interval, it's in the interval going from a negative infinity to positive infinity with parentheses. Range, we're talking about y values in the set of real numbers such that all of our y values are less than or equal to 0. Or if you're doing interval notation, y is in the interval going from negative infinity up to and including 0.